Good morning to everyone. Today I'm planning to explain you SQL basics. If you will go for SQL long ways, you have to know three things. One is nothing but DML, and one more is nothing but DDL and DCL. DML is nothing but data manipulation long ways, select, insert, update, and delete. All these three things will come under DML. DDL is nothing but data definition long ways. If you will consider those commands alter, create, and drop. DCL is nothing but data control language. What and all will come under this means grant and revoke. Now, let me concentrate on one by one. Actually, it will be a series of videos. In first video, I will try to explain DDL commands or DML. In second video, I will explain remaining things. Suppose, let us consider create. If you will consider create, this is one of DDL command. What is the syntax for DDL command? This create means create, and this is a table, and you have to give some table name, whatever it may be, whatever table you want, the table name you have to give. Here I am giving employee and employee one, whatever I want I can give. Then you have to start with open brackets, and this is a column name, like whatever you want you can give here, like employee number, employee name, date, something something, whatever you want you can give here. And this is a data type. Usually if you will consider employee number and all, it will be like numerical values only, not characters and all. So I am giving number, and I am specifying that number should be this much. It should be five numbers, like that I am specifying. Primary key. Primary key is nothing but that employee number should be unique in the table. So I am mentioning like it should be unique. Next variable is nothing but ename. This is a variable character, and it will allow up to 15 characters, and it should not be null. You have to give some value. And job, it is like variable character data type, and I am mentioning like it should contain 10. Max should be 10. And salary is a number. If I will give 7 comma 2, like that means what will happen means it will take 25,000.00, 35,000.08, like that it will take. Department number, this is also one of the number. Usually department number will be number, so I'm considering it like a number, and it should be like three values, and it should not be null. Um, Next, if I will go to this DDL commands, I'm planning to explain about insert. Let us consider already you have one table. In the table, if you want to insert some values, in that case, we will use the insert command. Insert into the table name and values you have to give based on the syntax. If it is a numeric value, no need to give in single quotes. If it is a variable, then you have to give in single quote. That you have to keep it in your mind. Okay, let me run this. Yeah, one row inserted. Let me give some name. Yeah, and let it be salary. I'm changing. Yeah, somewhere I missed a comma. Okay, fine. Here I missed a comma, so it is showing like missed a comma. Let me run it. Okay, fine. There what happened means I mentioned some number, like it should be 5, but I gave more than 5 though, so it is telling like it is having more values. Okay, now see, for the beginners, usually they will use only select commands. I'm not telling they will not use another commands, but select is main. For few of the databases we will have on read only access. In that case we can use only select. So let me explain each and everything with the select commands. Suppose if you have one table and you want to see what and all information is there in the table. In that case, what you have to do means you have to give syntax like this: select star from that particular table. So let me run this. See here, what and all rows I inserted, everything is coming. Yeah. Let us consider you have 1000 columns or 2000 columns. You don't want all those columns. In that case, what you will do means you can filter with columns only. Suppose, let us consider this table. In this table, employee number is there, employee name is there, job is there, salary is there, department is there. Okay. Now, I want only employee name and job. Or let us consider I want salary also. Then what you have to do means you have to give select that column 1, column 2 and column 3, or how many columns you want, that many columns from that particular table name. Now let me run this command. What this command will give means it will give one table with employee name, job and salary. See here, employee name is there, job is there and salary is there. Okay. In some situations, what will happen means for that particular column, we have to give some conditions and we have to run it. I mean, if you will see this table, I don't want all the data. I want the data where department number is 10 or department is number is 20. In that case, what I will do means I will give command like this: select star from table where and that arithmetic conditions a department number equal to 20. If it is related to salary means salary greater than 5000. Like that I will give. So let me run this. Now if you will see the things, it will display the rows who and all our department number is 10. Remaining things it will not display. And see, if you have two conditions, you have to give for two conditions. Then what you have to give means here you can display and let us consider you want the row with only employee number 10011. You can do it with and. This should be there and that should be there. Then only that row will display. See, here only one row is displayed which is satisfying both of these conditions, like here department number equal to 10 and employee number equal to this one. Suppose either this or that should satisfy means you can give or here. Department number should be 10 or employee number should be this. See here both the things are coming, like department number and employee number both are coming. Like this, after where class you can apply some arithmetic conditions, like whatever arithmetic conditions you can apply that arithmetic conditions. Okay. One more thing, you can use like also within this where class. What and all we can use within where class, that I will explain today. How it will be means select star from, what is your table name, the table name you have to explain. Select star from the employee. And one more thing, where in, if you will use where in means that particular thing will come, that I will explain later. First let me explain this. Where let me consider e name, sorry, yeah, e n a m e name. Like here few things I want to explain. Okay, if you are giving, let me explain one by one. See something, wait, Let me consider department number so I can explain all the concepts. Like, see, if I am giving percentage symbol at the end and if I am giving 20 before, means what does it means it should start with 20. If you have hell number of rows and whatever rows is starting with 20, that it will take. Ending whatever it may be, it doesn't matter. Suppose if I am giving this percentage symbol here, then what it will do means starting anything is there, that is fine for them, but ending it should be like 20. Suppose if I will give like this, like percentage 20 and percentage, means what it will take means starting and ending it should be anything. But suppose let us consider like 2000 something, you have some number. In that number, that 20 should be there, either beginning or ending or somewhere. That 20 should be there. All that particular combinations will come. Yeah. Suppose if you want like first number, you don't know like what you want, but second number should be 2 and third number and all anything is fine, means you have to give like this. What it will do means first number, whatever number is there, that should be fine, but second number should be 2, and after second number 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers, whatever it may be, that is fine. This is one of the like commands. Now let me execute something where department number like 20. If 20 is there, then it will execute that. See, it's executing with 20. Now let me give whatever I explained, everything I will give now. For me, first number anything is fine, but second number will be 0. In this case, whatever we have, everything will execute because we have rows with department number 10 and department number 20. Let me show you this. See, here is displaying like, here it's displaying in the same way. Okay. A select command we can use in different way also. Like I will show you one more method. Select star from, what is that particular table name? The table name you have to give. Then where condition. What is a column? Let us consider that column is like department number. Department number you have to give in that values, like let me give 10 comma 20. In this case, what it will do means, suppose let us consider you have one table with different department numbers, department number 10, 20, 30, 40 and more numbers. If you want to filter with this particular number, means what you will do means you can use this command. Select a star from employees where department number in that particular department. So what it will do means it will filter the rows with that particular department numbers, like department number 10 or department number 20. It will filter with both of them. Yeah, you can use between command with where. How you will use means select a star from that particular table where that particular column department number between value 1 and value 2, 10 and 20. You can use this command and you can if you will run this command, what will happen means it will display the rows with the department number between 10 and 20. See, everything is displaying like what and all 10 and 20 is there, that 10 and 20 related things are displaying. Yeah, with the select command you can use order by also. Order by, the name itself it's telling like either you can write it in ascending order or descending order. Select star from employee table. Select star from that particular table. As usual, we have to give where condition, where department number order by, wait, let me give where job equal to ASC, order by department number I will give. Okay. What this command will do means this command will see whose job is ASC. If job is ASC, it will order with department number either in ascending order or descending order. See, by default it will take like ascending. If you want descending order means then you have to give one command which is nothing but DESC. The DESC you have to give. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Related to this order by, group by and how it will differ, all these things I will create one more video. Okay, bye.